Let me ask you something real. Have you ever felt stuck? Like you're busy all the time, scrolling, studying, working, following trends, but deep down, you don't know who you really are. You look at successful people and think, wow, they're just lucky. But let me tell you the truth, success isn't luck. It's not about having rich parents or being born in the right place. It's about discovering what's already inside you and then sharpening it until it shines. And here's the good news. You already have hidden talents inside you, talents you don't even realize yet. In this video, I'll share 3 powerful methods to unlock them. These aren't theories, they're practical, simple, and they actually work, if you give yourself the patience to try them. Method 1, the self-discovery prompt. The first method is about using AI as a mirror. Yes, AI. Most people use AI just for homework, fun, or productivity hacks, but you can also use it to uncover parts of yourself you don't even see clearly. Here's exactly how you do it. Copy and paste this prompt into ChatGPT. Ask me 10 deep psychological questions to uncover my true passion, hidden talents, and areas of strong interest. Based on my answers, tell me what my real purpose might be and suggest 3 career or life paths that align with my personality and inner drive. Now here's the key. Don't rush. Answer honestly, even if your answers feel silly or random. The power isn't in the AI, it's in your reflection. AI just acts like a coach holding up a mirror. For example, one of my friends thought he had no talents, but after answering, he realized he loved organizing things. His desk, his phone, even events with friends. The AI showed him that this is actually a leadership and management skill. Today, he's working in event planning, and he's never been happier. So try it. And if you don't have time for all 10 questions, here's a shortcut. Answer this one question in the comments right now. What things make you the happiest in life? Because often, the things that make you happiest are the strongest clues to your hidden talents. Method 2, the empty day reflection. The second method is what I call the empty day method. And if you take it seriously, it can change your life. Here's how it works. Take one full day for yourself. Switch off social media. Don't scroll. Don't distract yourself. Just you, a notebook, and a pen. Now write down 3 things. 1. What you're naturally good at. 2. What you enjoy doing, even if no one pays you. 3. What you secretly wish you could learn or improve. It might feel strange at first, but in silence, your truth finally shows up. For example, when I tried this years ago, I realized something powerful. I love teaching and explaining things to people. Even as a kid, I enjoyed helping my friends understand homework, but I never thought of it as a talent. Writing it down made me realize that's my gift. And today, I'm using that talent right here, talking to you. Think about it. Your hidden talents are already inside you, but they're buried under noise, comparison, and society's pressure. Taking an empty day is like cleaning a dirty window. Suddenly, you can see clearly. Method 3, the value and money connection. The third method is the most practical one. It's about connecting talent to value, because talent without direction is wasted, but talent with value, that's unstoppable. Here's what to ask yourself. What skills do I have that solve real problems? Would people or companies actually pay for this? How can I sharpen this talent to make it more valuable over time? For example, imagine you love drawing. That could feel like just a hobby. But if you learn digital tools, that hobby could become graphic design, animation, or even freelancing. Or maybe you're a great listener. You might think that's nothing, but in reality, it's the foundation of counseling, leadership, even negotiation. Remember, every talent has value. The difference between a hobby and a career is just how much you develop it and connect it to solving problems in the real world. And once you align your talent with value, patience becomes easier, because now you're not just working hard, you're working with purpose. You know exactly why you're putting in the effort. Conclusion, call to action. So let's wrap it up. There are 3 powerful ways to unlock your hidden talents and true potential. 1. The self-discovery prompt. Reflection through AI. 2. The empty day. Silence, writing, and deep awareness. 3. The value connection. Linking your skills to real-world purpose. Your true potential isn't something you have to find in the outside world. It's already inside you waiting. All you need is awareness, patience, and courage to listen to your own truth. So here's my challenge for you. Write down in the comments, what makes you the happiest in life? Don't overthink it, because sometimes the smallest answers reveal the biggest truths. And if this video gave you even one new idea, hit that subscribe button. This channel is all about mindset, growth, and success. Together, we're going to unlock everything you're capable of.